In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Slides as JPG. If you want to share a single slide as an image for social media, email, or a website, this quick process will give you a clean, lightweight JPEG file you can use almost anywhere. Start by opening Google Slides in your browser and loading the presentation you want to export. Make sure you're looking at the exact slide you want to save. You can select it from the slide thumbnail list on the left. This matters because the export option we'll use saves only the current slide as an image. With your slide selected, go to the top left corner of the screen and click the File menu. This is the main control center for actions like making copies, printing, and downloading. When the menu opens, look for the Download option. Hover over or click Download to reveal the available formats. From that list, choose JPEG image, which appears as .jpg current slide. The moment you select it, Google Slides generates a JPEG of the slide that's currently in view. There's nothing else to configure here, no extra prompts. So the file should begin downloading right away to your browser's default download location. If you're using Chrome, you may see the file appear along the bottom of the window. In other browsers, check your downloads folder. The file name will match your presentation title, followed by the slide number. A few helpful notes as you work. JPEG is a compressed image format, great for photos, presentations, and general sharing, but it does not support transparency. If your slide has a solid background, that's perfect. Also, because the export is for the current slide only, repeat the same action for any other slides you want. As separate images, select the slide in the left sidebar, open file, choose download, then JPEG image again. If you plan to post the image online or drop it into a document, you're ready to go right after the download finishes. The quality of the JPEG reflects your slide's dimensions, so designs built at standard presentation sizes usually look crisp on screens. Keep in mind that JPEGs are best for images and gradients. If you need extremely sharp edges or transparency, consider a different format in other situations. That's it. Open your deck, pick your slide, file, download, and choose JPEG image. You'll have a clean, shareable JPG in seconds. Thanks for watching and have fun exporting your slides.